started off with you from some lucky recommendation. Immensely glad that we found you, because the results have been so good the entire time. Even like moved across the country, the work that had been done was compromised by a toddler's head and needed to be sort of redone, and being in Oregon, thought that it would be good to just take care of it where I was, and talked to several different dentists there, and was unimpressed by the enthusiasm and lack thereof, especially compared to the experience that I'd had here at Smile Stylist with Dr. Olitsky. And so when I graduated, moved back to Florida, because this is where Smile Stylist is, and this is where I needed to be to get my tooth fixed and get my smile the way that I wanted it. So happy.
That was amazing. I love the finish. So happy.